So for this problem, we had to find all zeros, and as you can see, I already solved it. So our first thing we have to do is find the PQs, and our PQs are first going to be 2/3, 4/3, 1/3, plus or negative 2, 4/9, 1/2, 2/9, 1/9, 1/4, 1/18. So we find all our real zeros first, which the signs are, it's based on the signs, and there's only one. So that's the only one that's going to change from all negative zeros. After that, we use synthetic division, and the first thing I used was 1/3. It's positive, sorry. So we use synthetic division. We pull down the 18 and multiply 1/3. It's going to be 6, 15, 5, 39, 13, 12, and then positive 4, which is going to give us our 0, and we're going to get our 0 here. After that, we take that given equation and we use synthetic division again, but what I used negative 1/3. So pull down the 18 once again and multiply 18 times 1/3, which is going to give you negative 6. It's going to give you 9, negative 3, 36, and then negative 12, which is once again going to give us our 0 here. So we can't factor that, so then we're just going to use the quadratic formula, and I already plugged in the numbers, so it's going to be 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, and it's going to give us this equation. 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 31 over 41. But since we can't have a negative, we're going to pull out the negative, and it's going to be an I. So it's going to be 1 plus or minus I, square root of 31 over 4. So from there, we're going to have to factor it, and I factor it with x minus the given equation. But then since it's over 4, I put 4 over 4. And then we distribute, and it should give us 4x minus 1 minus negative I, the square root of 31 over 4. And we did the same here, and we distribute it once again, and it's going to be 4x minus 1 plus I by the square root of 31 and over 4. So then our final answer is going to be the zeros. Our final zeros are going to be negative 1/3, 1/3, positive 1/3, 1 plus or minus I, the square root of 31 over 4. And then our factorization is going to be 9, which I forgot to mention, originally pulled out here from this given equation. And it's going to be 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1, and then here is our final answer for this given equation.